South Ural State University vigorously conducts research and development activity. The scientific laboratory of crystal growth is of special interest. The laboratory was founded by the South Ural State University Rector's Order within Scientific and Educational Center Nanotechnology of South Ural State University in 2014. The main areas of work are linked to the basic research in the field of materials creation and to the solution of applied tasks in the field of monocrystals properties optimization for certain application tasks. So the materials received in laboratory are used in the creation of clock mechanisms in field of micromechanics and electronics engineering.
We develop three main directions. We grow up magnetic crystals on the basis of barium hexaferrite. The second is the cultivation of lead titanate and solid solutions on its basis. And the third direction is the cultivation of monocrystals of Leica sapphire.
The laboratory of crystal growth exists 2 years. During this time it underwent a set of changes. For example, SUSU bought the research equipment at the cost of more than 20 million rubles, and the laboratory grew from one furnace to 2 rooms with the modern technological equipment.
We are in the second room of the laboratory of crystal growth. Here we have the equipment which was purchased within the federal programs in 2014, 2015, 2016. It allows growing up Leica sapphire monocrystals and some other materials at a temperature up to 2200 degrees, weighing up to 60 kilograms in the inert atmosphere or in vacuum.
New device which was purchased within implementation of the scientific program in 2016 is the uninterruptible power supply unit, which allows optimizing a circuitry and also powering supply in the heavy-duty furnace in the laboratory. All this allows to lower load of power supply networks of the university. Within the frame of 5100 project aimed on increase in competitiveness, the laboratory of crystal growth participates in various projects.
We have sent the application for creation of a laboratory within assistance of one leading scientist. The laboratory will be engaged in cultivation of monocrystals, functional materials and various systems.
Now the laboratory holds an open competition. Following its result, one candidate of science will be invited to a postdoc position. He will study characteristics and structure of the received crystals and also write scientific works. He will begin the work in January 2017. The head of the laboratory, Denis Vinnik, is also the invited scientist, and he cooperates with the St. Petersburg State Electronical University, which is base for monocrystals microwave properties research. The laboratory of crystal growth actively develops cooperation with the Russian and foreign centers of receiving and studying materials, including monocrystals. Now the staff of the laboratory of crystal growth takes on some joint projects with Institute of Geology and Mineralogy of the Siberian branch of the Russian Academy of Science, Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology, Ural Institute of Physics and Metals, Russian Academy of Science, Moscow State University, St. Petersburg State University and other educational institutions of Russia. From foreign scientific partners, first of all, Institute of Inorganic Chemistry of University of Stuttgart in Germany should be noted.
The nanotechnology laboratory interacts with such countries as the USA, Germany, Spain, Finland, Greece, and we are going to make this list bigger.
Staff of laboratory, graduate students, masters and students are engaged in the laboratory research day and night. Results of their work can be seen in the leading foreign and Russian magazines on material science and physics of the condensed mediums, Journal of Alloys and Compounds, Journal of Crystal Growth and Design, reports of Academy of Science and others. Within subject matters, South Ural State University students can carry out the complete alteration of new material creation, from theoretical calculations of components to studying the final product. Publications, their quantity and above all quality are a serious argument for participation in various programs, including in the 5100 project. And one of the project aims is support of young scientists, and doors of Laboratory of Crystal Growth are always open for them.